Hey guys, it's Greg at Vanguard Motor Sales. Look what I got behind me today. 1970 Chevelle, big block, 4-speed. Look at this beautiful car, man. Probably one of the most popular cars on the market today is a 70 Chevelle, man. And she is looking sweet. That chrome on the front bumper looks good. The headlight bezels look great. We got the hood pins, the black stripes, the cowl hood, and that cowl hood is functioning too, guys. She is sweet. You can see those bucket seats in there looking good. We'll get this door open here and take a nice close look at the interior. Look at that door panel. Just beautiful. Look at that door jamb too. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, this baby's red on the bottom too. So she's been on the rotisserie, all cleaned up, painted red on the bottom. You see that 4-speed shifter in the center console. I can see we've got seat belts in the front. Looks like we got seat belts in the back. That package tray's looking good. Headliner's looking good. The dome light's there. The shoulder belts are there. Man, this thing is sweet. The dash is looking sweet. I mean, just overall a beautiful car. Now, if you're looking for a car, make sure you check out all these points that I'm pointing out. She's looking beautiful. We're gonna pop open the trunk here and take a look in the trunk. You can see the chrome on the back bumper's looking good. Now these stripes are buried in the clear. I can barely feel them. You can see in the trunk here where it's looking good. Always pull up the mat, look underneath the mat. See that trunk floor looking sweet. We got a spare tire here. We got nice paint on the bottom side of the deck lid. Make sure you always check the lip on the deck lid also. And you can see that they had the latch out and the little doohickey that holds the keyhole in. Man, they really did a lot of attention to detail on this car. As you look down the side, she's straight as can be. That paint is absolutely beautiful. So call Tom today at 248-974-9513 and he'll tell you all about this car. All right, it's 70 Chevelle time. Big block, 4-speed. Listen to this thing, man. Just sounds amazing. Man, this thing is cool. Tell you what, this is probably one of the hottest cars out here right now. You know, short of maybe a brand new Z07 Corvette, probably one of the hottest Chevys out there, man. Everybody loves the 70 Chevelle. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this 70 Chevelle anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you all about this beautiful car and just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. So call Tom anytime. He answers his phone 7 days a week and almost 24 hours a day. So you just give him a call, he will hook you up. We're right outside the Motor City here, and we're close to the airport. If you need to fly in to check it out in person, we'd love to have you. If you want to send an inspector or hire a local inspector, we will treat your inspector just like we treat you. Now look down here on the dash. Look how nice and clean everything is on the dash. Just looking beautiful. Gauges are all working. Now it does have the stock radio in it. So if you're one that needs to listen to the radio, you probably want to upgrade that. That can be the first thing you do to your new hot rod. Put some tunes in it. Tell you what, These things are hot. We cannot keep a 70 Chevelle in our showroom. Here we go. Just sounds like a machine, man. She is amazing. Now we're going to take this baby back to the shop and we're going to show you just how pretty the bottom side is. The bottom side of this thing is gorgeous. Now we show you the bottom side of every car at Vanguard. So get on the website at vanguardmotorsales.com and we'll show you just how pretty the bottom side of every one of our cars are. Here we are at the shop at 15100 Cowl Street. So stick with us. We're going up in the air with this one right now. All right, we're underneath the Chevelle now, and man, look how pretty this baby is. You can see that brand new exhaust, brand new tank, and look at the floorboards. They're painted the same color as a car. Isn't that amazing? So this thing has definitely been on a rotisserie, turned upside down, and painted. Now the frame is also painted black, and it's looking sweet. I mean, just everything. Now, when you're looking at one of these cars, one of the important things to look at is the trunk floor. Look at the drop downs here. That's always one of the first things to go. You see how that's all nice and pretty and painted red? I already told you about the exhaust. 12-bolt rear end, 350 gear. It is posi. You can see it's got aftermarket lower control arms, but they've been all painted up black, looking sweet. The upper control arms look like they're stock. We got the extra braces that all the SS cars had on them. Backside of the rocker's nice and clean. I always run my hand down the backside of the rocker, make sure it's in good, smooth shape. You can see that the frame's all painted up nice here. We got a brand new fuel line and vapor line going front to back. Drive shaft's brand new too. That looks like bare metal. More than likely, that may have some clear coat on it to keep it looking like that. We got a new brake line going front to back. I don't know if I've already pointed that out or not. We've got brand new parking brake cable. The transmission is a Muncie. That's a 4-speed, guys. Very similar to the one that would have came in the car originally back in the day. Clutch linkage also looks like it's new. Bell housing looks like it's period correct for sure. Then we got a 454 up front here. Oh, drum brakes in the back, and the guys pull all the brakes apart and make sure they're in good working order before we ship these things out. Now the bushings and the lower control arms, the ball joints, everything look like they've been replaced. Of course, disc brakes up front. Front frame horns are nice and straight. I look at the core support on every car. Core support's a little bit thinner metal, so you know that if that's still in good shape, rest of the car follows suit. Chrome on the front bumper looks like it's new. The wheel wells are nice and clean. We got great looking SS396 wheels. The paintwork looks good. The trim rings look good. The center caps look good. Two 2570 15s up front. And we're going to work our way down the side here. You see that 454 SS emblem there. That's looking sweet. Now, you always want to check out that pinch weld on the bottom side of the rocker. And you can see they took the time to clean that rocker up and paint it real nice. You can see the original spot welds in there also. Now out back, we got two 75/60 15s. That's a little bit more rubber to plant to the road. And then look at the wheel well back there in the back. Look at that, all painted red, looking pretty, man. She is gorgeous. Now we're gonna lower this 70 Chevelle down and take a look under the hood at that 454. All right, under the hood here, we got a 454. Now we have verified that it's a 454 with a casting number, and it is a later model 454. We believe that it was built in 2011. It's got a 1970 Quadrajet carburetor on it. It's got a stock appearing intake manifold on it. You can see everything under here looks sweet. They've used what looks like the correct hose clamps here. You can see the AC box. See how the fiberglass is all nice? Looks like fiberglass. You can see that. Looking sweet. All the whole core support area here is all nice. You can see the aluminum on the receiver dryer and all the hoses looking good. You can see the inner wheelhouses here also look nice. Our master cylinder's in good shape. Looks like a brand new power booster there. The hood hinges also look like they've been restored. The firewall's nice and clean. The exhaust manifolds are nice and clean. The paintwork on the motor looks good. I mean, just everything about this thing is sweet, guys. You can pop the hood at any car show and win every prize they've got, man. This thing is sweet. She's a 70 Chevelle. She's a 4-speed. It's got a 454 in it. Guys, call us, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.